how do you solve this question. Here you can see that if under root 16 plus under root x equal to under root 81, here you can see that we are here 4 option. What is the answer of x in this equation? If I write under root 16 plus under root x equal to under root 81, here you can see that 16 under root, which is equal to 4, plus under root x. Here you can see that 81 the under roots, 81 under root is 9. Here you can see that 4 plus under root, which is equal to 9. If I transfer 4 from the left side to the right side, 9, here sign is positive, here sign is negative under root x. Here you can see that 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 under root x would be remain same. Here you can say if you want to find the value of x, so we have to cancel out remove the under root. So I will take the squaring on both sides. Here you can see that square which cancel the under root, the x which is equal to 25. Here you can see that 5 square which is equal to 25. So here you can see the final answer, the option number C. I hope you will enjoy my video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.